Let me talk to you. Hello, I'm Luke Michael Howard, clinical hypnotist and owner of Lukenosis Hypnosis, the inventor, the architect of the GTS, the Go to Sleep system, utilizing sleep nosis. What I'm going to take you through today is a hypnotic procedure. So it's a good idea that you are not driving, you are not operating heavy machinery. You are in an environment where you can lie down or sit down and close your eyes and be uninterrupted for a good 10 minutes. You will close your eyes in a few moments. You will not need to look at me. You'll just need to listen to me and hear me. If you've got headphones, even better. If they can cancel out outside noises, even better. And if you don't, this will still work. If you need to pause this video to go to somewhere where you can safely lie down or sit down and close your eyes, go ahead, do that now. Welcome back. So when you're ready, only when you're ready now, just allow your eyes to close. Lie back on your bed or on your chair, keeping your eyes closed, because there's nothing you need to see on the outside world now. In a moment, not just yet, but in a moment, I'm going to count down from 3 to 0. And when my count reaches 0, you're just going to simply allow yourself to go even deeper. Get ready. 3, going down deeper and deeper and deeper. 2, the deeper you go, the better you feel. The better you feel, the deeper you go. 1, just go there now. 0. Starting now, starting right now, every noise, every sound you hear inside and out just allows you to come back to my voice, follow my suggestions, and allow yourself to go even deeper. And everything you feel inside and out just allows you to focus on my voice and follow my suggestions even easier. And absolutely nothing I do or say will disturb or disrupt you in any way, shape or form. And starting right now, every suggestion I give you, no matter how silly or strange it may seem, your unconscious wraps around and grabs and acts upon as your new automatic reflex action. Every suggestion I give you from this moment forward, your unconscious mind will act upon as your new normal, your new default setting, without hesitation or fear in any way, shape or form. And starting right now, every breath you take, every move you make, every moment that ticks by, every sensation you feel on the skin, every wandering thought in your mind is just a sign, it's just a signal to allow yourself to tune into my voice and to go even deeper. In a moment, not just yet, but in a moment, I'm going to count down from 5 to 0. Now, the closer I get to the 0, the closer you get to the 0. And when I get to the 0, you get to the 0 and pass right through it onto the other side into an absolutely amazing place called hypnosis and trance. Trance and hypnosis, one of the most wonderful, peaceful, safe, secure sleep you ever could imagine is waiting for you. So get ready. 5, getting closer and closer and closer. 4, closer and closer. You have a growing sense of anticipation. You cannot wait to step through that 0, because you realize what's on the other side is an absolutely amazing experience and you cannot wait to feel it. 3, closer and closer, closer and closer, closer and closer. 2, closer and closer. This growing sense of anticipation is growing stronger and you cannot wait to step through that 0 and have the most peaceful sleep you've ever had, safe and secure in the knowledge that this is right for you. 1, almost there, so close, almost there. 0, step through the 0 now. into an absolutely amazing place called hypnosis and trance and hypnosis. Let it wrap around you like a warm, security safe blanket from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Letting yourself go, melting, sinking, dropping, drifting deeper and deeper, deeper and deeper, deeper and deeper. That's right, you are doing very good. And your unconscious mind now can take you to the right depth for you to be successful in sleeping peacefully from this moment forward now. I know there's a part of you that on some level has thought that by keeping you awake for more hours than is need be, it's been keeping you safe or secure, or it's been serving you in some way. I know there's a part of you on some unconscious level that's believed this. That part has served you, and it's served you well. So I want to thank that part for the job it's done. But now I want to tell that part of you that it's no longer helping you. In fact, it's causing you to prevent yourself from rejuvenating your cells, your body, to get that peaceful sleep, to combat anti-aging. It's preventing your amygdala from taking apart and processing the day in order for it to make sense in your mind, improving your cognitive ability. That process that may have served you on some level at some time of keeping you awake or waking you up through some level of some program that was designed unconsciously, perhaps for safety, perhaps for security, and it served its purpose at one point, but now it doesn't serve you. So you must stop that now. I want you to hit that button inside your mind, the one that's marked update, much like if you have a cell phone and there's a new iOS and your phone stops working, or it starts to work really, really slowly because you haven't updated your iOS technology on your phone. Well, your unconscious now can update the sleep program in your mind by just clicking that button, pushing that button, pressing that button. And as your unconscious now updates that sleep software in your mind's eye, that's right, deeper and deeper, even better, taking all the time for that new program to install, working deep in the background of your mind and neurology, enabling you to sleep peacefully whenever it's appropriate for you to have uninterrupted sleep. And taking all the time now to allow that program to install. That's right. And when that program's installed now, enabling you to sleep more peacefully at the appropriate time for you, for the right amount of hours for you, then if it's the right time to sleep now, you can just allow this to play off as you stay asleep. That's right. And if you will listen to this some other part of the day where it's not totally appropriate for you to sleep peacefully and deeply now, then you'll emerge in a moment or two with all the energy you need to get through the rest of the day until you sleep peacefully tonight. And when your unconscious mind feels it's right for you to come back into this moment, you'll open your eyes and you'll feel amazing, ready to have the best sleep of your life. Always believe.